should start recording at waypoint number 1, which it does. 24 meters altitude, and that's all good. So out of that, and next, and go. Continue. Start it up. I'll go to waypoint number 1, up at 24 meters. There it is at waypoint number 1, or going to. And it should start recording there, which it has. Now it's going to go out and fly a bunch of waypoints out to the Cerberus, and then do a circle and zoom in on it. It's got to number 2. It's going left. Sorry, going right. And around it. And it should zoom the camera in on it. So it's gone to 2 times zoom, right off its nose, which is point of interest number 1. Okay, now it should change to the rear, or the stern. And that's where it is, pointing at the stern. Point of interest number 2. Out there at 24 meters. Right off the stern. And now it should come back to me. That was just passing the second last waypoint. There it is. And coming back to the last waypoint. And now it should do a return to home. Which is where I am. And pointing away from me, coming down. And when it points up, there we are. Still recording. Perfect. Okay, we'll stop the drone recording. And now we'll stop the screen recording.